What is happening, YouTube? It's the Shoe Bully coming at you again. If y'all remember in the last video, I said don't sleep because we got more heat, and I wasn't lying, baby. So without further ado, we're gonna start unboxing all this lovely rubber and glue. Ooh, what are these? Got some human races. I think I actually got these for personal. Yep, this is the 11.5. These are lovely. Can't wait to put these on. I'm gonna have an on-foot review coming on these coming soon. Stay tuned. Yeah, I don't even know what's in all these, honestly. I'm gonna be as surprised as y'all. Oh man, here's another personal cop. Might have paid a little bit too much for these. They just hit the outlet for $100, but it's okay. This pair looks pretty clean. Mellow 13. Love this shoe. Wish they didn't be graded. Wish they didn't have the red dye runs, but it is what it is. On to the next one, baby. Got some Air Force Ones. Woo! Oh yeah. These are awesome. The black velvets. I'm gonna have a review coming on these too. Stay tuned, y'all. Another pair of PSGs, PlayStations. Woo! I know y'all already seen these, but we're gonna show you again. Boom, baby. My light up shoes on, my light up shoes on. What y'all know about it, man? We're gonna keep rolling. Got some 350 boosts. Which ones are they? Which ones are they? We're gonna find out together. Zebras. Boom, size 13 if anybody's looking. Holla at your boy. Man, so many shoes. Another 350. Can't ever get these out the box. Oh, another one. What size is this? 11.5. Might have to keep these for personal use. Should we go over here now? Let's go over here. Let's see what's over here. Another human race. Woo! Boom, baby. Got these for a client. We're gonna be matching, I guess. Another PSG. Not even gonna show them to you. I already know what they are. On to the next one. Another human race, same shoe. We got a lot of duplicates here. Oop, we got a Yeezer. Yeezer alert! Oh man, McChickens, baby. McChickens. Running out of room to stack all this. We got a static. Base size, if anybody's looking, we got a 5.5 right here. Holla at your boy. Keep it moving, keep it moving. Drum roll, please. Kobe. Another static, another base size. We got a 6 here, if anybody's looking. Holla at your boy. Another one. Another size 6. If anybody wants to, double up their bay, you know who to call. You call the Shoe Bully. Another static. Size 9, if anybody needs, holla at your boy. I got a pair of the reflective ones too, size 5.5. I know those are a little more hard to come by. How many times can I say another one in this video? Another one! Paul George, baby. He in here. Got a few pairs of these. Woo, we got a 12.5. Air Jordan 1. A Star is Born or Sports Illustrated. I love the red and black leather on the tongue on these. Got a review coming on these. Stay tuned. Got these in for personal. I love this shoe. If y'all didn't cop these and you a Jordan head, you tripping. You tripping, man. Straight up. I could not say no to these. Let's see if we can get through this video without the stack of shoes falling off. Another one, baby. Another one. Got these for a client. If you ever need a pair of shoes secured, I'm your man. This is like came from Yeezy Supply. Yep. Another one. Nick Chicken, size 13. Holla at your boy. Ooh, another pair of Paris Saint Germains. I love this shoe. Definitely slept on. We got one more, y'all. One more. Oh man, it's getting rough. Another pair of Yeezys. Ching! Another size 6. Static, baby. So yeah, that's all we got for y'all today, man. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and hit the little dinger too so you get notifications when I make new videos. And let me know out of all the shoes I just unboxed, which one would y'all rock if y'all had to pick one? Let me know, y'all. Shoe Bully signing out, baby.